Hello there, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Android Studio in your PC, Windows 11. So let's start the video. Here, you have to search for Android Studio. So this is the first link, just click here. And here you can see download Android Studio. So just click here and go a little bit down. Check this and click here download. Here you can see it start downloading. So guys, here you can see we have download Android Studio. So now double click on it to install it. So guys, here you can see just click here yes. Okay, this power option, just click here yes, and we got this interface. Now click here next, then go for the next, then next. Then okay, don't check it because it will not create the shortcut here. So we need it, right? So don't check it. Just go for the installation. Okay, done, completed. Now just click here next, and if it is not checked, just check it. Okay, because we want to actually start Android Studio to check that if it is working perfectly or not. And here you can see fetch remote. Okay, so it's open. Here you can see we successfully installed Android Studio, right? Now click here next, and here you can see we have standard option here and then custom. So let's go with the default one. Click here next. Now click here next. Now here you can see we just have to actually select here accept. Just select here next. And here you can see it start downloading. So it may take few more minutes. Here you can see we have installed it. Now if you want to create new project, you can actually select it.